Hi, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini saves video. And with my mini saving video, I have $50 here to work with. I have 6 saving challenges. And yeah, let's get into it. So I do have 4 $5 bills as savings boost. And I'm just going to mix those in there. And unfortunately, I don't have my 5s to buy back, but that is okay. Didn't get to make it to the bank, but we gonna work with what we got. All right, I think those are in there. So yeah, that is $50. And I'm gonna take my die to help me decide which saving challenge will get 2 bills. And I just played this as a great savings to put towards my revolving sinking fund. So at the end of the month, I will collect all the saving challenges that I saved during my mini savings. Okay, 6, and calculate it at the end of the month and put it towards a revolving sinking fund. All right, can we get a 1? 6 is going to take all the money. 2, come on, 1, 3, and you know, the last 2 bills I'm going to put towards 1 because 1 have to get something, you know. All right. Let's say 6 for last because 6 just got all the money. All right. All right, let's start with this one. So this is created by Doodle Dollars. It's a You're My Lucky Charm. Yes, you are. Thank you so much for this freebie. So I have $2, and I made each of these, I guess you call like horseshoe coins. I don't know, but I made those $2. So let's go ahead and shade in one of those. Put those 2 bills here. And all these wonderful creators will be listed down below in the description box. So go show them some love and support. And most of these are freebies, so you can find those in their Kofi. All right, so this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. It says 20 and oh wow, it only needs $2. And today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, that is a lot. So I'm going to just take the $2 I need and cross those out and see if we have 20. All right, we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20. I'm actually going to take this 5. All right. And that is a completed challenge. Yes, so this will go in my completed challenge envelope. Yes, yes, yes. And let's replace that one. Let's replace it with, which one should we do? Let's do this one. This is created by me. You can find this in my Kofi for free. Yeah, I believe this one is in my Kofi. So this saves $30. I made each square $2. So I'm going to hold off and see do any other challenge need that to be completed. So we're going to hold off. All right. Next we have Budget with Carly, and this is You Are Loved. And I made each bowl $1, and today it got $5, $10, $11, $12. Not bad. So $12. So we get to color in 12. So How are you guys doing? How is the beginning of your work week? All right. I'm just gonna mark these and then I'll come back and fill them in. So that's 1, 2, because 12 is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Yeah, 12. Oh, and I only need 3 more. What? I think I'm just gonna head and put 1, 2, and 3. And this should save $20. Yes, it should. I think I wasn't prepared to finish a lot of challenges today because I still have to cut some challenges out that I have printed. So this should say 25, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that, friends, is another completed challenge. Oh, wow. So right there, that is $40 for the end of the month. So let's replace. I do have one more in here, and it's another budget with Carly. And it says, just drinking my coffee and trusting the universe. You know that's right. But I'm trusting God. All right, so let's make each one 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make each one $2. Yeah. So let's make that $2. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Moving on along. We have another one created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says $20, and this is a happy St. Patrick's Day. Ooh, I like the green that's going on here. Yes. So let's see. Today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each one is $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Do you guys do anything for St. Patrick's Day? I really don't. Don't at all. It was cute when the kids was like in school and they had to wear like green and all that. And I would make like green eggs for them, or green pancakes. But other than that, I don't do too much. All right, so this one needs $4 and it got $2. So I am going to borrow 2 from here. And so that's 4, because this one has been around since January. So this was created by Budget with Carly. It's Capricorn, and it should save us $40. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Yes, ma'am. And that is another completed challenge. Yes. And I don't have one to put in here. So I have to cut one to put it there. All right, so this is the one that took a lot of money. And how much did it need? It needs $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Wow, I just need this 5? No, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $6. But it got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It got $16. Wow, and this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And how much did this save? I didn't even write it down. So let's see. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Another $20. And that, friend, is another completed challenge. You see how these small wins? Yes, because right there, that is 40. Another 40, that's 80. And what I said this was, oh dear. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. another 20. So what I say, that was 40, 80. Is that 100? No. Yes. What? So 20. Wow. Look at that. That's $100. And it is March the, what's today? March the 3rd. Wow. March 3rd. And we already got $100 for our revolving sinking fund. Yes. And look, we still got all this money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Oh, and I don't have one to put in here. $15. And I kind of want to we just going to do it like this. These are going to be some mystery ones here until I can fill them. We're going to put these ones here. And let's roll a die. And should we put 2 bills? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because I don't, these are all new ones. All right, we're just going to put, that's going to be a mystery save. Yes. We're going to do this until we run out of money. Three, and the last bill go to 6. Boom. Should I just put these down here since these don't? Yeah, let's do that. Let's just bring these down here since these don't have nothing in them. All right. All right, y'all. As you can see, I just make stuff up as I go. Does it make sense? Probably not. So this one is $2 each, and it got 3. So I am just going to color in just one, like that, and put this one up front. Boom, bow, boom, boom, boom. All right, and this one, so you got an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so how much do this got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. All right. And my cute little bunny with the Easter eggs ready to decorate got $2. Oh no, I want to do green. So $2. I can't remember if this, I think I just lied to you guys. This is not in my Kofi. It's in my Etsy shop, I believe. I can't remember. All right. And this one got $1, 2, 3, $4. So let's do, see, $4. Let's go ahead and do this 2. And let's do another coin. All right. So we have $4, $5, and $6. All right. We got the $50 now is gone. And I have my completed challenges here, which I am so proud of. Yay. So thanks again for everyone for your love and support. If you haven't already, please head over to my Kofi. There are some freebies there for you. Just my way of giving back to say thank you for the support you are showing my channel, my Etsy shop. Just thank you, and thank you. Or if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel to follow me on my financial journey. If you are subscribed here, please share with a friend. And that is all I have. All right, gems, remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.